Hello everyone, good morning. Happy 1st January 2023. Nagatangan nang. Kain tayo, guys. Happy New Year. Kumusta naman ang New Year nyo? So, kain tayo. Kain tayo ng breakfast. Mga sis. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 2 of January 2023, guys. And we are yes, we are preparing because we are going to a vegan Ilocosur again, guys, because I have to do something. Yes, and hopefully we will finish within today until tomorrow. Huh? Sis, is it easy?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So yeah, so we are going to vegan. Guys, we are here in vegan and this is the Kalesa. So this so they have pen shop in there. Sis, let's go, sis. Wow. Are these Havaianas or are these originals? All imitation. But they look like original ones, no? Hello, good morning, guys. Today is 4 January, guys, and it is midday already. It is cooking time again here in our place and in the Philippines. So kuha tayo, guys. Magluluto ako ng ng tinulang manok with papaya kasi matagal na akong hindi nakatikim ng papaya na guys, na yung hilaw na pang tinola. So, yun ang request ko na ulamin namin today. So, kuha tayo ng papaya. Dito lang sa harapan namin, guys. Dito lang sa harapan ng bahay. So, let's go take papaya. So, yan, guys, yung papaya. Can you see? Itong papaya na ito, as in na malaki siya, guys. Ito kaya? Hinog kaya ito? O hindi? So, we're going to take this papaya. Ayan. ang papaya natin. I miss papaya so much. Kaya kunin natin ito. Look. Ay. Baka mahulog. Wait. Ayan. Kuha na natin. Let's go peel this papaya. So, ito na yung manok natin at saka yung papaya. Hindi pa namin tapos yan na linisan. Tapos, nandito na yung spices natin, guys. So, let's cook. So, guys, magluluto tayo ng tinolang manok with papaya. Let's add the chicken. Bagoong. Oh wait, let's mix first. So, let's cover. Takpan natin. So, ayan na guys. We have to wait na ma-dry siya konti. Then, lagyan natin ng tubig. So, dry na siya guys. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Lagyan pa natin ng konti para as in na lumambot. Ayan. Ihalo natin. And let's cover it. Ilagay na natin guys ang ating papaya. Ang sarap. Tapos guys, mag-steam din ako ng cauliflower and with potatoes. So yun ang kainin natin for lunch. May rice din sila. So I'm not sure if I'm going to eat rice. Maybe a little bit. Yes. Para lang sa sa chicken natin guys. So guys, ito yung i-steam natin. Ilagay lang natin sa steam or boil. Wala yatang steamer si ate. So, let's boil it guys, this one, ng konting tubig lang para hindi masira yung nutrients niya. Okay guys, so we'll show you later. Hello guys, so luto na ang ating tinulang manok. Tadaan! Wrap. Kain na tayo. Kain tayo ng singkamas. Hello guys, good afternoon. Gawa tayo ng turon. Good afternoon Manabo. Philippines. Agaramid tayo ti turon nga meriendaan. Kat alas 5 na apo. Naladaw unay daw nga meriendan niya alas 5. Ngam oray pay no kasta agluto tayo latta. Tamangan tayo ti turon kat maililiw na unay nga mangan iti turonan. Okay, so let's make turon. No need to put water here
Malagi ka magkabila.
Okay. Nalpasan kakabsat iti panagbungon tayon daytoy turon ket addapay duwa nga nabati iprito tay tulatan. And for the meantime we are eating. What are we eating, sis?
Mani.
We are eating boiled mani. Boiled peanut, which is really good. Let me try, sister.
Princess. Para po kami na po ang further.
In and that is.
Panawan ka mabigat sis.
Oh, ganyan. Kantok namin nun na nagsubli ka kuman. So good.
Huh?
Okay guys, so my sister now is frying and look, looks so good. Luto na mga kapatid, na luto. Tituron tayon mga nen. Ramanan tayo no na imbag.
Yes.
Sis? Ha? Hi! Turan, kasta sista. Yan dyan akong? Ha?
Ito mga baka. Nga.
Tikman natin, guys. Harap.
Rapsa.
So crunchy. Yummy.